How to fix iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go ahead and fix this problem quickly and easily. Now basically, first things first, you want to make sure that you have a secure connection. If you are too far from your Wi-Fi, you cannot go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi securely. So you can just go ahead and get closer to the Wi-Fi connection in order to fix the problem. Right after that, we can now go ahead and restart our device to get rid of some minor bugs and glitches. And so you can just hold down your power button, and right after a couple seconds, the power window will appear where you can just go ahead and slide your screen, and from there you will be able to turn your device off. Wait for a few seconds and you want to turn it back on. This should fix the problem. If not, we can now head over to our settings. Once inside our settings, you can just go ahead and head over to the cellular settings right here. And you want to make sure that you are on the roaming cellular option. From there, we can now head over to our control center. Go ahead and turn on your airplane mode. This will basically restart all connections and signal that's coming on with your Apple device. Now, if all of the problem doesn't work, you can just head over to your general settings. Once inside, scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and from here, you can then go ahead and click on the reset network settings. From there, this will basically go ahead and reset the network setting into the factory default. Now, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.